If you've been following me on Instagram lately, you may have been seeing me post on my Instagram stories about the Deep End program. And to give you a bit of an idea about who this program is for, if you were someone that wakes up in the morning and you check your phone and you roll out of bed and you're getting ready for a job that just doesn't light you up completely, and you know that there's something that is much bigger for you to be doing on this earth, but you just don't know what it is, or you know what it is, but you don't know what the first step is to make that dream happen. And maybe for you, you have some addictions or some emotional trauma that you've been holding on to. And this trauma has been creating some unhealthy patterns in your life or relationships, or maybe you have some addictions that just aren't serving you, and it's creating this emotional heaviness as you go throughout your day because you've been trying to get rid of it, but no matter what you try, you just can't seem to stop it. And maybe you've been reading some personal development books. Maybe you've been following some inspirational Instagram accounts online, but no matter what you read, no matter what you learn about, you know what to do, but you just can't get yourself to do what you know. If that is you, then the Deep End program is exactly for you. It is an 8-week coaching program where we show you how do you clear out all this emotional trauma? How do you clear out these inner blocks that's in your subconscious that is preventing you from living your best life? How do we gain clarity about what your life purpose is? And not from the head, not borrowing people's goals, not borrowing what you think that you should be doing because it's the expectations of what your parents have been putting on you or what you think is going to make the most money, but what is the thing that's going to completely light you up? What is that thing that's where it's gonna be really hard for you to go to bed because you're so excited that you're living your purpose? What is that thing that you get out of bed without even having an alarm clock because you're so lit up, you're so on purpose with what your soul is telling you to do? We're gonna find out exactly what that is. If you wanna know more information about the program, I'm gonna leave a link up above or down below somewhere here, and you can click on that to learn more information about it. The Deep End program is closing soon, so if you wanna know more information about it, go ahead and click the link and I'll be seeing you on the other side.